just finished working out. My arms are sore. My legs are sore. And I was like, I look like I look right now. I'm gonna bleep that out. Oh, I love lashes. Like I love lashes, okay? Like look at this. Majority of the lashes I wear are like made from a friend. She has her own lash business, and like majority here I have all her lashes. Do you have the lashes? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And 2 are made from other friend. These 2 are given from my other close friend. This I got from Sephora, but I'll ask the lash. And this lash is Rome, and I lost it, so I kind of put my own lash from Kiss in this package because it's a cute package. And here, same story too. I just put one of these lashes in here because I really like the packaging. This is about lashes. I don't know if you can tell from the title or from the box I'm holding. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today, since I'm gonna be starting off my YouTube channel learning about basics like eyebrows, which you can look from my previous video, lashes, how to put on lashes, how to make lashes comfortable for you to wear, especially to those who are not used to wearing lashes or want to try getting into lashes, you know what I mean? Gonna teach you guys how to do eyeliner, which I'm still learning because I can't do eyeliner for size, and contour, highlight, all the fun stuff. But today we are gonna talk about lashes. First thing you wanna do is put on your eyebrow, which I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so if you guys want to know how I did my eyebrows, you can, like I said, look back in my other video and you will see how I do my eyebrows. What I'm gonna do first is put on your mascara. I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'll put an image on the screen to show you. Put it all over my lashes, and then we can start doing lashes. So now we got the hardest part, I feel like, especially when you like pick the lash of choice. I'm gonna go my lash of choice. Now I haven't worn these since my friend gave them to me, because like I was thinking maybe I should, you know, start on my YouTube channel. And Raven, if you're seeing this, if you are seeing this, I'm gonna try on one of your babies today. Style number 5D118. I will put her IG in the screen as well. So in the link. I'll put her IG in the link, so you guys can check out her lashes. If you guys live in Calgary, she would do delivery, but I don't know if she does, you know, shipping outside of Canada. Maybe in the future, I don't know. Need lash glue. I use dual lash glue because they're my favorite, and it's the only one I can find, and it's the only one that's affordable to me. But this is what I use. I have both the black and the clear, but for these lashes I'm gonna do the black. Since I'm not gonna have any eyeliner, and I want to cover as much space as I have on my eyeball. So I'm gonna choose the black lash glue. And what you're also gonna need for this as well, if I can find it, lash tweezers. I like these ones because it has like a nice bend to it, which is like, I don't know, it makes it easier putting on lashes. Because you know how when you have, actually, no, I can't find it, but you know those tweezers where it's like straight? Yeah, I don't like those because it feels so hard to put it on, especially when you're beginning. So something like this I would recommend for beginners, or this I would recommend if you're blind like me. Like, her packaging is so cute, and her lashes are so affordable too, like $15 to $25 for these ones. $15, and they're so fucking cute. Like, can you, like, come on. For every lashes, new packaging you get, new lashes you get, what you want to do first is make sure they fit on your eye. I love these lashes. I love her lashes because they would fit perfectly on my eye. Sometimes a bit too wide, but majority of the time her lashes fit on my small eyes so nicely. Like, fit nicely, and I love it. Trim on the outer corner. Like, don't trim in the corner because you're gonna your lashes. Make sure you trim out in the outer corner, so that way when you put it on, it will look nice and natural. Like, it will fan out nicely. But you have lashes that's like similar on the edge, and then you find one. This is an example of lashes that has similar hairs sticking out. Does that make sense? Example of way, if it's even like this, still cut it in the outer side. So like, this is on my right side, so I would cut it on the outer corner, so that way the inside will be like shorter than the out. If you want these type of lashes, they're on my friend Rianne's Instagram too. I will also put her link down below for you to check out her IG. DC113. Forgot to tell you guys in the video that for those who are trying out lashes, I would recommend lashes that has a clear band to it. So that's not a good example. Like these ones. Try out lashes for the first time and you're too scared to go wild, like let's say these ones. And if you're too scared to try out these ones, sorry out there, or these lashes right here, if you're too scared to try dramatic lashes, I would recommend lashes that has a small, not small, but thin clear band, so that way it looks natural on your eye and it will make you feel comfortable and confident while you're wearing lashes. You don't want to go overboard and try something dramatic and you're gonna hate it, and then you're gonna stop wearing lashes because it just makes you feel comfortable, confident, and you're gonna get so mad and gonna throw away your lashes. It'll be a waste of lashes. You don't want to do that. So if you're a lash baby, these Kiss lashes right here, or Q lashes, dual lashes, don't know if they make lashes, I'll put a picture right here, or Ardell, those type of brand lashes. For you who are trying out lashes, go for those ones because they are easy to use, they're flexible, and you're gonna feel comfortable and confident going about your day wearing lashes. Okay, enough said. That's what I need to say. Let's get on with the video. Now back to what I was saying. So you did it. You cut your lashes to fit your eyeball. Take the lash glue of choice. Just, yeah, place it on the band of your lash. Don't place it too thick. It's especially with duo, because the thicker it is, the longer it will dry. So we'll just do a thin sweep across. And this is what I like to do. If I have excess glue on the lash, I will just take the brush, remove some of it, and then just spread it along the lash. So that way it will dry evenly and it won't dry too gloopy. This step is important, especially if you're new to lashes. You want to wait 30 minutes till it gets dry, tacky, or clear. Or if it change colors, like Duo Lash Glue, they change colors when it's getting dry. I like to hold it down in the middle of my lash and go in a corner and then go in the other corner. And when that's drying, I like to take my fingers or tweezers and pinch my lashes to my false lashes. And then when that's done, I circle the back of the tweezers and push them out so it gives a curl to them. Now I'm going to do that in the other eye, and I'll be right back. And there you go. What I did off screen, I just added highlight in my inner corners, because typically I don't wear full face and makeup every day. The only thing I would put on my day-to-day basis is eyebrows, lashes, mascara, and highlight. And lip gloss too. I use this a lot. You can tell I use this a lot because it's worn down, but this is my favorite go-to for inner corners because it makes your eye pop real nicely, you know? Especially if you're not wearing makeup, it makes your eyes pop so nice. And most of the highlighters I have, doesn't do that. Like you just have to add more and more and more, and just like gets too like muddy. But for this, just one brush stroke, two brush stroke, and put it in the corner, it makes your eyes pop so nice. Pixie Petra and Orchard Ornament, and Pixie Beauty, and I don't know if they sell these anymore because I haven't find them in any of my drugstore lately. If you can tell me where I can find more of these, let me know, because I want to get more before I run out of this eyeshadow. But if you know anything similar to this, let me know down below too. And that's it.